You've been watching KABILLION on Demand. Baboon. Voice in his ears. Voice in her ears. Nobody knows the trouble I've seen. Nobody knows my sorrow. Nobody knows the trouble I've seen. I can't take any more fight. Relax, Squirt. It's just Patty's voice. Okay. Are you ready for this? Once a pound puppy, always a pound puppy. Gee, thanks. Anything else I can do for you? Why, by golly, yes. I could enter the pageant. And here he comes now. It's McLeish and Olaf. Nobody knows the trouble I've seen. Nobody knows my sorrow. Nobody knows the trouble I've seen. No, no, no. Olaf, you got to do something about that voice. Elvis and the Beatles are waiting on us in concert. I'll be at Shed's Valley here. It's like, well, me at 2. To the FKD! Squirrel! Jonathan loves Patty the dog. Jonathan is my... You must have to worry. Jonathan is my friend. Don't worry. Until we get to the pound shelter, we'll get to your Jonathan just in time. Right. Anything you wish and anything you do. Squirt, have you any conversation? Indeed I do. Let's see now. A plunger? Everything you got is right here. 2 in my lunch box. Sounds like an rich. Look at the puppy I'm gonna have! Wait a minute. You have the right to get your puppy. But Mom! Oh, that's the end of Jonathan now. I'm the #1 super puppy club. What's going on here? He sees why he's been so straightly this year. Everything he's got is everything he needs. I like this one better. He has his sister's hair on. Oh boy! I must have it. You're gonna wait until after you let Jonathan take a bath. Oh boy. I can't wait to have my bath. Oh no, what are we gonna do with Jonathan? Much more of it, I oblige, is much more of it, I suppose. Quickly, Squirt! But how? We must get to Jonathan's bath at once. We start later. I must be untouched soon. We'll see about this. Come on! We've got work to do. Anything you want is anything I need. Is there anything else I need for you? You're all clean. And you got your voice. Oh. I got my voice in my gum. You swallowed it? I did. And I'm gonna enter the competition. Look out! Singing competition at the auditorium. Here I go! And now, back to our show. KABILLION has all the Christmas shows only on KABILLION. That's great! And so did too. Like Pound Puppies, Space Canines, Teddy Ruxpin, and Gumby. Go to KABILLION, watch Christmas fun only on KABILLION. KABILLION. You're watching KABILLION on demand. Okay, Patty, this is it. I think I'm gonna have myself a try. No matter what is the only thing that's going to try you a little bit harder. I think I'm gonna try harder. I come try harder as well. Do, re, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. I guess I'm never cut out to be a Pound Puppy. What's the matter with you, Patty? Your voice seems clear enough. I guess I'll go on my own and run away. What are we gonna do with Patty? She has no voice, and I've got the singing voice machine. Nobody knows July sings karaoke. Oh boy. I just found out that my pet, Patty has been missing. What the? What's going on here? It seems a little bit trouble with his sad puppy Patty. Don't worry, we'll find him soon enough. There it is, Patty's contemplation. What's the matter, Patty? We've got your singing machine. It's got nobody interesting. And we've got your gumballs. The singing gumballs as well, okay? The squirrels are singing. Nobody knows the trouble I've seen, Patty. No, that's wonderful. Mom, do you hear that? I've got my puppy. I'm gonna have to take a bath again. Ain't that scrubby? I'm neat and tidy. Ain't me and Patty doing well as hard? Just keep yourself clean and cozy. I will, anytime now. Fetch. Good boy, Patty Limburger. Patty Limburger. Jonathan Limburger always lives in with the Limburger family. Squirrel. I hope you have too much fun as well. Just try to relax, Squirt. Oh, alright. I get to be a #1 biggest fan. Niblet. Sorry. What are you doing, Niblet? I'm gonna sing my straighten up as eat my lunch. Oh yes! Anything I want, I took my bath. I'm getting ready for the singing contest. Just take your place. Go, go, go. Nobody knows the trouble I've seen. Nobody knows my sorrow. Look out! I'm going for an attack to the adventure as well. I'm gonna sing at the Pawtucket Auditorium as well. Look out, Pound Puppies! Here I come! You've been watching KABILLION on Demand. KABILLION is a presentation of Lego. Lego versus Batman. Full preview of Lego. Only on KABILLION. You've been watching KABILLION on Demand. Including Patty Puppy. Go on, Patty. You can do it. I've invented the singing machine for you. And you can boss. On with the cue, Patty. Use a magic push. Go on, Patty. You can do it. Team it up, Patty, as well. Nobody knows the trouble I've seen. Nobody knows my sorrow. Nobody knows the trouble I've seen. No, no, no. Nobody knows the trouble I've seen. Nobody knows my sorrow. Nobody knows the trouble I've seen. No, no, no. Nobody knows the trouble I've seen. Nobody knows my sorrow. Nobody knows the trouble I've seen. No, no, no. That's today's concert. Is Patty's concert. Get a hold of yourself. Mine eyes have seen the glory of the coming of the Lord. He is great to be the president of men afraid his sword. He usurps the faithful title of his terrible the Lord. His swift sword, his truth is marching on. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. His truth is mine. I wonder what he's singing now. Take a business. Wow. Strudel. I'm so sorry. I never seen the glory of the coming. I wonder what he's doing now. I don't know. But we've got to do it fast. Yeah, Lord, you do the big fast. That is terrible. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, hallelujah. Glory. Strudel, take care of Pat. His truth is marching on. I guess I found my flower as well. Jonathan, I'm gonna keep you and love you and hug you and keep you. Once a pound puppy, always a pound puppy. So you did great. And of course you did, I do as well. So other times I have my potato chips as well as a stinky skunk. Stinky skunk potato chips as well. Get a grip. You're at the auditorium. And so once again lives the pound puppy alone. Can I keep Patty the puppy? Can I keep Patty Puppy Hug? Can I keep Patty Puppy Hug? Can I please can? You most certainly may. If only you keep him clean as well. Patty, I really love you. Once a pound puppy, always a pound puppy. And now, you've been watching KABILLION on Demand.